lovely designers! Hope everyone is doing great. In today's tutorial, we're gonna study color theory. Before starting with the session, let's see what this color theory is. Color theory is both the science and art of using color. It explains how humans perceive color and visual effects of how colors mix, match or contrast with each other. Let's see what exactly we're gonna cover in this tutorial. We'll cover color wheel, primary, secondary and tertiary colors, warm and cool colors, and basic color terminologies like hue, shade, tint and tone. Color wheel. The first color wheel was designed by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666. Now you must be wondering what is the use of this color wheel and what is its function. Let's see. The main function of color wheel is to develop color harmonies, mixing and palettes. Let's see how. Color wheel consists of three types of color: primary, secondary and tertiary colors. We'll discuss each of them. Primary colors. The colors red, yellow and blue are primary colors. Now what would happen when you mix them? You'll get another set of colors. And they are secondary colors. They are formed from mixing primary colors. And mixing them, you'll get another set of colors. And guys, these are our tertiary colors. Let us understand our new concept. Warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors. Warm colors consist of orange, red, yellow and combinations of these and similar colors. They tend to make you think of warm things such as sunlight and heat. Now let's see what cool colors are. Cool colors. Cool colors are typified by blue, green and light purple. They can be calming and soothing. The cool colors remind you of water and a sky, even ice and snow. Sometimes harshness. Let's see our next concept. Color terminologies. Our last and most important concept. The basic color terminologies are hue, shade, tint and tone. We'll be discussing about each of them one by one in detail and with illustrations. Hue. The term hue, which is often used interchangeably with the word color, refers to the family to which a particular color belongs. Let us understand this with an illustration. In this chart, only a single color in each row is being altered in the form of its tints, tone and shade. And that single color of each row is our hue. Shade. As you have learnt what is hue, now you'll easily learn what is shade. When you'll blend a color black with any of the hue, you will form its shade. Here is the example for the same. Tint. Similarly, when you'll blend a color white with any of the hue, you'll obtain a tint. Here you can see all the colors present in the color wheel are being blended with the white to form its tint. Tone. In case of tone, a color gray is being blended with any of the hue. So when we blend a color gray with any of the color present in the color wheel, you will obtain its tone. Let's recap what we had learned. We learned about color wheel, its function, that is to create harmonies, mixing and palettes, Then we discussed primary, secondary and tertiary colors. Primary colors are red, yellow and blue, and mixing these primary colors we get secondary colors. Then we learned how mixing these primary colors and secondary colors we obtain our tertiary colors. So this way we discussed our primary, secondary and tertiary colors. Then we read our red, orange and yellow colors are our warm colors, and blue, green and violets are our cool colors. Then at last we discussed our most important topic, the color terminologies like hue, shade, tint and tone. We learned hue is the purest form of all colors, and adding colors like black, grey and white in these hues we get our new sets, shade, tone and tint respectively. Thank you so much guys for attending this tutorial. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead.